Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Roblox account and creator permissions are active. Once confirmed, open Roblox Studio and load the experience you'll modify. Next, enable the AI or Assistant plugin from the Plugins menu so tools appear. Then, create a dedicated folder for Assistant assets to keep scripts and modules organized. This prevents conflicts later. Make sure networking and API access are permitted in game settings because the Assistant needs outbound calls for advanced features. You now integrate the Assistant into the game. Place the Assistant module under Server Script Service or a secure module location. Configure default prompts, intents, and permission scopes so the Assistant responds appropriately. Test with a development server. Once done, bind user interface elements, chat hooks, command buttons, or voice toggles so players can trigger responses. Make sure to implement rate limits and logging to avoid spam and to diagnose behavior. This also helps preserve performance for many concurrent players. You finish by rigorously testing in play and server modes. Interact with the Assistant across scenarios to refine replies and handlers. Once satisfied, optimize for performance, add debouncing, cache frequent responses, and trim payload sizes to reduce latency. Then publish a staged update to a subset of players to monitor real-world use. If things go wrong, start with API keys and permission scopes, then inspect Studio and Server console logs for error traces. Fixing those usually restores normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.